Yolande. My name is Yolande. As you've read from the title, we are doing a pantry organization video. I am so excited. I have partnered with my family at Mambos to give you this video. Visited my local Mambos and I went to go and get some pantry organization items. Mambos is a party, toys, organization, storage supplies, cleaning supplies, outdoor storage. It sells affordable and great quality items. So if you're looking at updating your pantry, organizing your bathroom, your kitchen, your fridge, even hosting a party, if you're looking for even toys for your children, various stores around the country where Mambos is located, I would definitely urge you to click the link down in the description box below to head on over to their website and see where your nearest Mambos store is. And if you do not have a nearest Mambos store, then definitely do your shopping online. To show you right now what my pantry looks like, even though items are in containers, however it's still quite cluttered. Some items are just sitting on the shelf and not in an organized compartment, so that's why we are just revamping and redoing my pantry. Like my maize meal, my coffee and tea items, etc. They are all over the place and it's making the pantry look very cluttered. And here are all the organizers that I will be using. As you can see, they are so cute. I really love the big jars that have the wooden lids. What I love also about these organization items is that they do seal in your food so it will not go stale because of the silicone wrapping that is on the lid. So that is what you also need to look out for when you are purchasing organizers to keep your food. So I'm now going to remove the labels, wash them, and then we put in our groceries. My organizers have been washed and dried, so now we can refill our groceries. We all know what happens when I pour cornflakes. I hope I don't spill. I need to refill my spices, obviously. Out the pantry, wiped it down. I just kept them up there because it'll still stay there. And then these are just extra juices and stuff. Everything else is out. Yeah, it's organized. Here is everything organized and ready to be packed into the pantry. is the before of what my pantry looked like. It's very cluttered. It wasn't used to its full capacity because some items were not organized properly. And here is the after. Informative. I hope you found it valuable. Definitely check out Mambos, guys. You will not be disappointed. Their prices, all the items that I've used for this pantry organization is linked down below along with the price points, so definitely check it out. You'll know if I say the price puts a smile on my face. You'll know what that means, right? So they are very affordable and the quality is just great. Thanks again to Mambos for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace.